Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this week update on our instruments. We are going to be starting with Dxy as usual. This is your host, Mr. Peter. Here today, we've been seeing dollar pushing more down to the downside, growing weak. We had this correction and again, this drop. Now, what do we expect this week? We expect much for if we could have a drop here. After this drop, we could see a correction to push into this zone before we see another sell. You can correct up to this point before selling, or we can have break the bottom first before that correction. So, but what we are looking at is a correction either under this low or right now, the correction before we sell again on the DXY. The euro dollar, we are looking for a further that we push up. Well, after that push up, we might have just like with the DXY, either we correct low from here to around this zone between here and here, and we can see that push up. Either we first break the top before that correction, either of the two, we are looking for correction and a push up. On pound USD, what do we expect? On pound USD, we are expecting, now this is unlike the Euro USD and the DXY, this is likely going to give us a more extended correction. Probably that would, either capping or breaking this low. It might actually break this low before we push up. So whatever it is, the lower it comes, the better for us. I don't see this going up to break the top immediately. This might just come down a bit, correct more, and push further down and go to the top. Now on NZD USD, so what we see here is either from here, we might see a more complex correction here. The way this one is going now, it might be a bit more complex. Maybe a WXY correction. Now we are seeing something like an ABC. We may have an X and one more swing to the downside before we push to the upside. But correction then up. USD JPY. This will continue to take and waste more time. After this move, if this is not going to break down again, this may just go up, correct one more time to the downside before pushing up. We might be seeing more correction around this area before that push up. In that case, we don't know yet what it's going to give us, but we have to wait. We have to wait. It might end up giving us a 1 and a 2, a waste of time around this area. Push up for wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and whatever it is. But for now, if it does not break down, we are pushing up after a mess. Let me say that. After a mess, we might push up. Now, Euro Yen. What do we expect from Euro Yen? Euro Yen, okay. Yeah, this one seems to have given us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably you're going to get an ABC correction. This may just be a 1, the first wave. If it's going to give us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, we maybe see an ABC, maybe around this area, or slightly below, without around this area. Price may, whatever it gives us, we're going to take. We have to wait. We have to be careful for this to burn itself out and correct before we look for further help. I think we are going to be going sideways trying to burn this thing out before we have a big spike to the downside. The yen pairs might be ready almost at the same time to fall. And with that initial push of the market, it may actually break this low. So we're going to wait patiently for that to happen. Then the last but not the least is gold. Gold has been pushing up. With this reaction right now, I think the best is to look for a much deeper correction. This might drag down a bit to give us a WXY like this before it goes up again. And if they want to grab liquidity under this low, they might just come here, grab liquidity under this low to push up. But I think the most favored right from now is a more complex correction down, up, and down to push up. With that, I've come to the end of this week update. Do have a successful trading week. Do like, share this video, like it, comment to help us grow this community. Thank you. Bye.